just look at it? Would you just look at it? Look at the size of that thing.
It's a big old house.
The stinking kind of crap you find on the side of the road, middle of Alabama. I'm Digging Z71. My name is Dylan. Thanks for tuning in. Today, me, Austin, and Matt, you see Matt back there, we are on a field trip. And more importantly, we are on this field trip because I plan on taking another one soon. So if you remember the ZL1 and then Austin's car, you've seen it a couple of times, we decided to get together and the three of us are going to go to Streetcar Takeover. Originally, the plan was just to take one car, whether it be mine, Austin's, or Aden's. The more we thought about it, the more we wanted to bring two cars. But we didn't want to bring two without a second trailer. So Austin's going to get himself a 20-footer steel deck. That's what we're going to look at. Let's check it out. Get out of the road, guys. Get out of the road. Well, dang it, Austin. It's already dirty.
5 minutes down the road, I got my trailer dirty.
Oh, my goodness.
I'll have to hit her with old spit shine when we get back.
But hey, there she is, son. Trailer for the ZLT1.
I think it'll work out.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I think you have a smoking deal on this rig.
Yeah.
Shoot,
Clean
buddy,
some stuff
son.
up and put our little finishing touches on it, and I think it'll be right.
Oh, yeah. I think you got a good deal, dude.
I'm going to want one for 5 or 6 years now.
Right.
So.
Yes, but it's like you said, the real question is your car door going to open on that?
I guess we're going to have to figure it out.
That's what we're going to have to figure out next. So
Might have to put the old razzle dazzle on that fender.
hey, I can work a grinder.
I got a Sawzall with a bunch of Milwaukee blades.
Hey, let's get after it. Eager beaver. Austin is the only person I know that will buy a brand new trailer, brand new, never used, no nothing, and wash it. He's the only person I know that'll do that.
That's how I have nice things.
Is it? Well, so the real question is we started filming this video a couple weeks ago,
Yeah.
getting around to wrapping it up, but we left off with the question is whether that was going to fit on here, how we were going to load it, do we have the right ramps, do we have what we needed, is it going to work, is it going to get us to Streetcar Takeover Kentucky Bowling Green this weekend?
We've done a lot of measuring. I've measured 3 or 4 times, so we still going to hope so.
Yeah, well,
if not, you know, Home Depot's right around the corner. We'll just go get some boards and we'll just make it.
Oh, tell me you're wealthy without telling me you're wealthy. Buy a trailer, not just a trailer, but the wood. Woo. Shoo.
That son of a gun's tooted, boy.
Hey, that's anti-tooted. But we've backed the truck up on these ramps to help this side get a little lower because like I was telling you guys, it's freaking low.
Hey, don't be getting up all on them bugs.
Low. Well, it's a street car. We're going to Streetcar Takeover.
That's true.
All you can expect is bugs on the front of
We are in Florida.
Yeah, a Florida man streetcar. So yeah, so we tried to get this part of the trailer as low as we could, and that's going to be way better than what we started with because that is a low ride. All right, don't copyright me. So this is Austin, like one of his first couple of times ever actually trailering a car, which is a compliment because that means everything that he's ever had that's been raceable has been drivable, that's important in today's day and age. So, but when we're gonna go 9 hours to Kentucky, we might as well put it on something that'll get us back home because it's like I always say, the trailer is not for the ride there, it's for the ride home because we don't ever go anywhere expecting to lose. We send it when we get there and we go hard as we can. So, all right, get it on. I'm tired of watching. All right, so what I've done, I'm gonna just make you sit in there for a little while.
That's fine. I got AC in here.
So I've marked where the center of the wheel is on everywhere, because this is where the car is gonna need to sit when we're traveling. That's gonna be a balanced spot for it. We may have to move it an inch or two, but this is our very first guess. And so we're gonna line up the center of these marks with the center of the race ramps, because they're not the same length. So I couldn't just put them on the trailer and tell them where to get. So if we can find the center of where the wheel needs to be, park the center of the ramp there on all four corners, we'll be Gucci good. Let's see that door. I'm gonna put this microfiber down. Let's see what this door looks like. See, he would hit it. So that's why we got to put the race ramps down. All right, hold that right there. So nice. These things almost have to be perfectly on the edge, just right where the tire goes. So the center of that one about right yonder. Get one of these rears. Woo, that's very close to the bottom of the car there. Like, I'm talking close. Get the center of that ramp lined up there. Looks pretty straight across. And then let's put the final one back here. And then if we can find a way to really permanently fix these things, it'd be good. All right, you're just starting the back ramps and you're 1/3 of the way up on the front. All right, little bit. You're about to get on the flat spot. Right there. Perfect. This side looks Gucci. Let me go check the other side. Shoot, buddy. On the money. On the money. All right, shut that rig off. We good. See what you think anyway.
Got that body lift, boy.
Yeah. No, that's a dadgum rough country lift. You got 8 days of clearance there.
I told you I measured 3 times.
Yeah. That's money. Before we get too far, I just wanted to acknowledge a nice, beautiful sunset. Austin's car successfully loaded. He's getting out his straps. All right, back to the action. What? Dude, these straps are long enough to strap down your car, Aden's car, and my truck. All with the same ratchet. Like, Jesus.
Hey,
Lord.
got it going on, boy.
Whoa, my goodness.
However long you want them.
Wowee. For illustrative purposes, straps on there. Let's see just how much slack we've got. All right, guys. Well, I think we could strap all 4 corners of the car with this. I think that we could safely get to Kentucky with one strap on the car.
Let's see. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully y'all had a great Tuesday.
Jesse, Interkin, HCF on Dirt, watching his live stream on Twitch. One of our partners. While we get Jesse, or while we get Austin finished up. Got her loaded up, strapped down. So what's next?
Trailer brake.
Trailer brakes, and streetcar takeover. Get Aden's car on my trailer and streetcar takeover bound, huh?
Yeah, we got the True Cool on. Got Richard's True Cool mount on the truck.
Oh, so Atomic's his bracket, yeah. So if you guys don't know, Atomic, that done the coilover stuff for me, that did my downpipe, yada yada yada. Richard, you should definitely check him out. He does a bunch of cool stuff. But Austin picked up a trans cooler mount that goes up in the radiator for these new body style and cat eye trucks. That's freaking mint. It's money. That's what you put in. Works good.
Yeah, dude, it worked out perfect.
So I don't know. Let's hey, before we cut them off, let's put this thing on the ground, go for a drive.
All right, Dan.
Well, they need to see that.
Let's get it.
All right, let's go. All right, come on down, come on down, come on down. A clear, safety third. All right, come on with it. All right, pick these ramps up. Just give them a good yeet. Let me get back and look at this thing. I know it's dark. Shoo, buddy.
Oh, girl.
I think it's a good looking setup. I know it's dark on our camera and stuff. I don't know if I can edit that in my YouTube, but
Yeah, that ain't bad at all.
I think we nailed the placement. Let's see how she does on a rip.
Let's see what these 456s.
456s. Dang it, gum, it's dark. Can't see nothing. Can't even feel us back there. Or can you? You can feel it, huh? Let me turn
A little bit.
Turn this light on.
Let's
Turn that light
I got
on.
this one right here.
Oh,
Like
there
that.
we go. Yeah.
You like that? Oh,
I can't see nothing on camera, but
yeah. No, she's dark.
yeah.
They don't feel bad.
I'm honestly not concerned. I'm genuinely more curious. Ooh, that gum, that's bright.
That was a bright one, wasn't it? You like that?
Yeah,
Better?
I am genuinely more curious about how the temperature is going to do and how it's going to shift than I am concerned. Does that make sense?
Right.
Yeah, I'm just curious to see what it's going to do. But hey, we made it 1 mile down the road and it feels great.
Hey, I'll tell you what. It definitely doesn't bounce nearly as bad when it's loaded as when this trailer's unloaded.
Oh yeah, well my trailer is way worse because I have a 2500 and the bigger axles on my
This
trailer.
thing
It's a brick crap house.
Yeah. It was shaking my brains out. I was like, damn, I hope it don't feel like that all the way to Kentucky.
Right.
But this thing feels Gucci.
Yeah, well,
the Fox shocks in the back. I love them things. They
Oh,
are
yeah.
perfect.
Yeah, I mean they're designed to be towed on, not the shocks,
Yeah.
but the trailers are.
Yeah.
So when you get
That
something
feels great.
balanced, I mean I think we got it pretty good, but you got to stay on the road. You're dragging this side off in the ditch.
I'm too busy focused on my people. On my camera.
The audience. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And a little bit, little bit, little bit. Right there. Pull up a little bit, pull up a little bit. Right there. Money. Cha-cha truck. We used to joke around and say that this truck would go chaw. That's the way the motor and exhaust would sound on it. So it's a cha-cha truck.
So the peepaw truck is
Yeah, and it's not a paw-paw, it's a chaw-chaw.
I'll take it.
Shoot. Dude, I'm pumped, man. This is a next level of excitement in regards to going to Streetcar Takeover. I've been to a couple of them now. I've been to 3 or 4, so I'm happy that I've been begging you guys over and over and over to go. I've been telling Austin, I've been telling Aden, they need to go, they need to go. And here we are with your car and your trailer behind your truck.
Getting real now, buddy.
Freaking ready to go, son. All right, but that's gonna do it. So I'm Diggin' Z71. My name is Dylan. This is Austin. Thanks for watching. If you're gonna be in Streetcar Takeover, come find us. If not, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do the thing, help us on the algorithm, help us do more of this. But as always, keep digging. We'll see you next time.